back to my channel. This is my fun pick by the Ghibli style. So I just cleaning my all the footwears in my study room. This create a lot of mess. I just clean up and feel so much good when I was cleaning, and I love to cleaning. And this was create a lot of mess in my house. I don't know where my slipper was. I had a due less slippers, and yeah, that's it. Now I just clean my evening bed sheet. I just dusting the pillow cover. You know, at that time I was just so much sleepy and overthinking. So that's why I was doing and make a video. And now it's time to also help in the home. I just folded my Nanima's dupatta. You should when you are free time, you should do the household chores. It's not a new, it's a old, and it is a gold. घर के काम करना सबको आना चाहिए. Now I just cleaning the bedsheet. I just set up all the material on the stool. For example, some important accessories, words, etc. My mom was just watching the action movie or whatever he likes it. He loves watching the movie. And yeah, after that I just fold the blanket. Now I just dusting the bedsheet because uh, bedsheet dusting is very important. It gives a lots of happiness when you have a cleanliness in your home. Now that it also saves you from diseases. So many dusting daily, it's make a habit. If you're not a free, but at least in a week you should change your dust your bed sheet at a twice for remove all the negativity from your houses. Now I just make all the bed sheet, and my mamu also helped me to you know dusting my bed sheet. Now I just uh, yeah, this is the main important thing. I just set all the important clothes where I also dusting all the other dusting. A lot of dust is someone there. I just had not time to clean all the dusting. It took time, and I feel so anxiety when I clean the dust. There is a lot of dust around the television also. That's why I just cleaning all with my hand. I not use the clothes also. So yeah. Set the sofa cover. I also you know cleaning all the dust. you know uh, I had feel so much anger and anxiety also to changing this because I does not sometime clean because a lot of stress work and all the thoughts come in my mind. I does not want to, but sometime I thought that it is important to clean the house. Now I just clean my study table. I just you know dusting all my study clothes. It's also important. Yeah. Now it's time to arrange all the notes and important books on the table. Yeah, it's also take a lot of anxiety because in my mind lots of thoughts also there, and I also relieve this. I use my mind because a devil's mind is a empty mind is a devil mind. I feel so much stress when I was just doing this, but it's my duty to complete this. Now I just put my all the important accessory from in the polythene because I just wanted to take from my friend. She said no, I had a note, but she had because at that time I had completed my all the accessories. Now yeah, so I had completed and set all the important things on the desk. And yeah, this is my ID card. And yeah, it's very important in your college time, exam time. This is a Shishwani Matsubhyam Sabko. And yeah, now I just put a polythene bag. Now just arrange all the pens, notepad. Yeah, now this is a room look right now, but now this looks so much a little bit of better than previous one. Yeah, previous one is a very bad. Now it's look a good. Now it's time to set up the uh, lobby. It also take a very uh, anxiety to clean the house, but it's important. Now I just clean the dust around the showpiece showroom. Yeah, so now it's time. Now I just uh, clean the other stool or table cover, and uh, change the setting of the sofa. And yeah, I feel a little bit of good when I was just doing, but sometime during the sleep was not completed, I was feeling so noisy. Now I just hold another dupatta, and this is my favorite dupatta. I love this type of dupatta, cotton dupatta. This is very good to handle this, and you should wear also, and you should wear from any suits also. Yeah, now it's time to change the bed sheet from this my room. Yeah, it's also a very you know winter style. I just go to into the washing machine. I just do not hold it. Yeah, now it's time to make this bedsheet. This bedsheet is not a perfect bedsheet, but I think if it is iron, it will feel a good feel in your bedroom. This is a full bed sheet, and this is not. Um, it's a very uh, difficult time to manage it, but I manage it a very uh, clearly. My mom said that you should not uh, use it clearly, but I said, Mom, it's okay to cover up the hole. Is it's important. Yeah, now I should do this. Yeah, it's not a perfect size of four corner. That's why it's looking like this.